Hello my dear students, welcome back to the video lesson. I'm Shweta Gupta, your maths teacher, and today I'm going to do the revision of perimeter from exercise 17A of the lesson 17. So let's get started. So children, let's recall what we have learned about perimeter in lesson 17. So what do we mean by perimeter? The perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of its boundary. We can also say that perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of the line segments forming a figure. That is, if a figure is formed by 3 line segments, then the perimeter of that figure is equal to sum of the length of the 3 line segments forming that figure. Now children, the perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, where side is the side of the square. As we know that in a square all the 4 sides are equal. So how do we find out the perimeter of a square? By multiplying side by 4. We can also say that if the perimeter of a square is given and we have to find out the side of a square, then how do we find the side of a square? By dividing the perimeter by 4, or side of a square is equal to perimeter upon 4. The perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. As we know that in a rectangle, 2 opposite sides are equal. So, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So now children, let's do some of the sums from exercise 17A related to perimeter of a square and rectangle. So children, now in this figure you have to find out the perimeter. So now see, the figure is made up of 3 line segments and the length of each line segment is given. So how we will find out the perimeter? Well, perimeter is equal to sum of the lengths of the 3 line segments. That is sum of all the sides. So 6.2 centimeter plus 3.9 centimeter plus 5.5 centimeter, which is equal to 15.6 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is equal to 15.6 centimeter. So in the B question, we have to find out the perimeter of this figure. This figure is made up of 4 sides and the length of each side is given. So the perimeter of this figure is equal to sum of all sides, which is equal to 1 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter, which is equal to, when we add these sides, the length of these sides, it comes equal to 15.5 centimeter. So the perimeter of this figure is equal to 15.5 centimeters.
So now children, let's move to the next question of this exercise, which is question number 4. Fill in the blanks for a square. Here the box is given in which the perimeter of the square is given, and you have to write out, or you have to find out the side of the square. The first one is done for you. We know that side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. So the perimeter in the first part is given equal to 32 centimeter. So what will be the side? 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Now let's move to the next one. In the B part, you know that the perimeter is given as equal to 64.8 meter. Therefore, what will be the side of the square? It will be 64.8 meter divided by 4, which is equal to 16.2 meter. Now let's move to the C part. Here the Perimeter is equal to 44 centimeter. Therefore, the side is equal to 44 centimeter divided by 4, which is equal to 11 centimeter. Now let's move to the D part. Here, the perimeter is equal to 56 meter. Therefore, side is equal to 56 meter divided by 4, which is equal to 40 meter. And in the last part or the E part, the perimeter of the square is equal to 80.8 meter. So what will be the side of this square? It will be perimeter divided by 4, means 80.8 divided by 4, which is equal to 20.2 meter. So this way, children, we can find out the side of a square by dividing its perimeter by 4.
So now children, let's come to question number 3. Find the perimeter of a rectangle of length 21 centimeter and breadth 13.7 centimeter. So children, we know that perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Therefore, we will put the value of length and breadth. So 2 multiplied by 21 centimeter plus 2 multiplied by 13.7 centimeters, which in turn is equal to 42 plus 27.4 centimeter, which is equal to 69.4 centimeter. So the perimeter is equal to 69.4 centimeter. Now let's do the B part. Here again we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle of length 16.5 centimeter and breadth 12 centimeter. Children, we know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. So we will put the value of length and breadth. So 2 multiplied by 16.5 plus 2 multiplied by 12 centimeters. So this in turn is equal to 33 plus 24 centimeter, which is equal to 57 centimeters. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 57 centimeters. Now children, let's come to question number 4 of the exercise. Here we have to find the perimeter of a square of side 19 meter. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, and the side is equal to 90 meter. So 4 multiplied by 90 meter, which in turn is equal to 76 meter. Now children, let's come to the B part of this question. So here you have to find the perimeter of a square of side 27.8 centimeter. Again we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, which is equal to 4 multiplied by 27.8 centimeter, as side is equal to 27.8 centimeter, which in turn is equal to 111.2 centimeter. Now let's come to the C part of this question. Here you have to find the perimeter of a square of side 26 centimeter. Again children, the perimeter of square is equal to 4 multiplied by side, and side is equal to 26 centimeter. So 4 multiplied by 26 centimeter, which is equal to 104 centimeters. Now children, this is your home assignment which you are supposed to do on your own in your maths homework copy. There are two sums. In the first sum, you have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, and in the second sum, you have to find the perimeter of square. This way we have come to the end of the video lesson. I hope you have very well understood all the sums which have been explained in this video lesson. So thank you my dear students. Keep watching, keep learning.